Let's look at Chapter 8, Lesson 6 review. Numbers and operations. Shade the figure to show a fraction that is equivalent to a half. Then write the fraction of the figure that you shaded. So I know that 1/2 is 1 out of every 2. So I can think about that as shading in 1 out of every 2 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the 10 boxes, I only shaded 1 out of every 2, and I have shaded 5/10. For number 2, 1 out of every 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I know that there's 18 pieces, and I shaded half of the pieces, so I know that I shaded 9/18. Do the same thing for number 3, and I know that I can cut it down in half and shade in 6 out of 12. Again, for number 4, I can cut it in half, shade in 8 out of 16. For number 5, I'm going to cut it horizontally, shade in 3 out of 6. And for number 6, I'm going to cut it vertically, shade in 4 out of 8. In order to check if they're equivalent, you can line the different fractions up side by side and check them with the arrows. Complete the fraction so that it's equivalent to 1/2. So you're trying to figure out what times 1/2 equals the other fraction. So I know that 1 times 7 equals 7, so I have to do it to the bottom. 2 times 7 is 14. I know that 2 times 10 equals 20, so do it to the top. 1 times 10 is 10. I know that 2 times 15 equals 30, so 1 times 15 will equal 15. Problem solving. Solve the problem, explain your answer. Ben's bookstore has used books on sale. The first one you buy costs $3.50. Each book after that costs $2.50. How much will you pay for 8 books? So I know that the one book that you buy first is $3.50. Each book after that is $2.50, and he's going to buy 8 books. So first off, I need to figure out how much the first part will be, which is $3.50 for book 1. Then I'm going to take the rest of the books, and I know that that would be 7 books, because 8 minus 1 is 7, and I'm going to multiply 7 times $2.50 to figure out a total. I know 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 5 is 35, carry the 3, 7 times 2 is 14, 15, 16, 17. Remember to count over for your decimal, and my decimal is going to be right in the middle. I have $17.50. I now need to add $3.50 plus $17.50. When you're adding, remember to line up the decimals. I have 0, 10, 11, and 2. So I know that I'm going to have to pay $21 to purchase 8 books.